மாணவர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Meaning of war. Literally, the word operation may be defined as some action that we apply to some problems or hypothesis. And the word research is an organized process of seeking out facts about the same. War as variously describes as war as the various definitions or various ideas about war from various persons listed here. பல அறிஞர்கள் பல்வேறு வகையிலே ஆபரேஷன் ரிசர்ச் என்ற படத்தை உணர்ந்து அவற்றை வெளிப்படுத்தி இருக்கிறார்கள். அவை மீனிங் ஆஃப் வார் பொருள்படுகிறது. War is the art of giving bad answers to problems which otherwise have worse answers. இப்போ மோசமான ஆன்சர் அதில் பெஸ்ட், மோசமான ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கும் பட்சத்தில் அதில் பெஸ்ட்டு. ஐ மீன் தட் இப்போ ஒரு பம் இருக்குது அப்படின்னா, பம் இது ஒரு வணிக ஸ்தாபனம், ஒரு இண்டஸ்ட்ரி அல்லது ஒரு ஆர்கனைசேஷன், அது நஷ்டத்தை தவிர்க்க இயலாத நிறுவனங்கள் இருக்கின்றன. அதில் மினிமம் நஷ்டத்தை மினிமைஸ் பண்ணுறது. War is the art of giving bad answers to problems which otherwise have worse answers. According to T.L. Sadi, war is a scientific method of providing executive departments with the quantitative basis for decision under their control. This is from P.M. Moson's G.E. Campbell's scientific approach. Next, war is the application of scientific methods, techniques, and tools to problem involving in the operations of a system so as to provide those in control of the system with the optimum solution to the problem. Suchman's, Akoff, and Arnoff. Scientific method. War is the application of scientific methods, techniques, and tools to problems involving in the operations of a system so as to provide those in control of the system with the optimum solutions to the problem. The next, war is applies decision theory. It is applied decision theory. It uses scientific, mathematical, or logical means to attempts to cope with the problems that confronts the executive when he tries to achieve a thoroughgoing rationality in dealing with his decision problems. Here, hope means deal effectively. Confront means face to face. Thoroughgoing means attending to every details. War is a scientific approach to problem solving for executive management. Scientific approach to problem solving for executive management. This is from H.M. Wongard. War is a scientific knowledge through interdisciplinary team effort for the purpose of determining the best utilization of limited resources. This is one of the popular. because of how to use limited resources in maximize. That is very popular one. நம்மக்கிட்ட இருக்க சோர்சஸை எப்படி மேக்ஸிமமாக யூஸ் பண்ணி அதில் மேக்ஸிமம் ப்ராஃபிட்ஸ், how to use limited resources. This is from H.A. Taha. Some significant feature of war. அதில் முக்கியமானது டெசிஷன் மேக்கிங். How to make a decision, or how to making decision when we have critical situation or irrespective of situation involved, how to make the good decision. Primarily war is addressed to managerial decision making or problem solving. A major premise of war is that decision making, irrespective of the situation involves critical situation, can be considered as a general systematic process. இந்த மாதிரி சூழ்நிலையில் முடிவெடுக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம these are ideas. You will take the decision by using these ideas. Define the problem and establish a criterion to be used. முதல்ல பிரச்சனையை வரையறுக்க வேண்டும். Establish criterions. Select the alternative courses of action for consideration. Determine the models to be used and values of the parameters involved. Solve the models to choose the best alternative. These are ideas for making good decision when we have critical situation. Next, scientific approach. War employs scientific methods for purpose of solving problems. It is formalized process of reasoning. Objective. War attempts to locate the best or optional solution to the problem under consideration. For this purpose, it is necessary that a measure of effectiveness is defined which is based on the goal of the organization. This measure is then used as the basis to compare the alternative courses of action. So this is objective. Objective means goal. How to achieve by using war techniques. Next, interdisciplinary team approach. War is interdisciplinary in nature and requires a team approach to a solution of the problem. Managerial problems have economic, physical, psychological, biological, sociological, and engineering aspects. This requires a blend of peoples with the experience in the areas of mathematics, statistics, engineering, economics, management, computer science, and so on. Next, digital computer. Use of digital computer has become an integral part of the war approach. War approach to decision making. Use of a digital computer has become an integral part of war approach to decision making. The computer may be required due to the complexity of models, volume of data required, and the computations to be made. These are aspects or some significant feature of wars. So இந்த அளவிலே இன்றைய தினம் பாடத்தை நிறைவு செய்து கொண்டு அடுத்த வகுப்பில் சந்திப்போம். வணக்கம்.